guys, I'm a men's coach. I have a bodybuilding contest in 84 days. I have been on a diet for 2 months. I lost 6 kg, which basically means that I lost 3 kg monthly basis, and I'm going to tell you what I have done so far. Check your body weight and body temperature every mornings. This is one of the indicators that you can have a look all the times. If your average basis of your body weight has not been changed for over 2 weeks, that means that you are not under calorie deficit, therefore you need to review what you have been eating. Second, take a record in the app. You can use any kind of apps as long as you can take a record everyday basis so that you can make a comparison between today and the last week. What I have been eating so far. I try not to go eat out, such as KFC, junk food, and Macca's, and etc. I always stick to unprocessed food, which is chicken, rice, sweet potatoes, veggies, yogurt, dark chocolate, salmon, under calorie deficit, and I'm taking 2,200 calories because my maintenance calorie is 2,500 calories, so in theory 300 deficit in daily basis. Even if my body weight increase or decrease, I try not to get emotionally. I don't really get happy or sad and etc. I always look at my body. I try to pinch my belly and see how thinner or how thicker my skin becomes. So this is also one of the indicators that you can have a look and you can trust a lot. When it comes to training, I follow the progressive overload, push, pull, legs, shoulder, arms. I try to sleep 7 hours on average and drinking 3 liters of water. I take supplements, which is BCAA, creatine, and multivitamins. BCAA is not essential. A reason I take this is because it's just tasty. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, just drop your comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.